Everyone, welcome to Tasmanian Cradle Mountain. I'm nearly on the top, just looking for some places here to look around. You see the snow-capped peaks. It was a snowfall yesterday, but we weren't here, so it was very cold. That's good.
I want to walk.
Yeah, I know. I'm just following you.
Walk all the way.
Let's go there. I'm just following you. You're coming back. Seems like we experienced hail just recently, but I was too slow to film it. Is this the birthday girl tomorrow? She's running for her life.
Tomorrow.
Oh, what day are we today?
31st.
Ah,
Is it
2 more days. I don't know. I don't think so.
Because
Yeah.
we have a few
It's the 31st.
more days.
Yeah. She's
Happy
turning
birthday
old.
to you.
Happy birthday. When's my birthday? Can I have a birthday cake too?
Let's walk all the way to Dove Lake.
Okay, let's go. I'm gonna go look for groceries there. Laura, I'm gonna look for groceries. Wait for me! Hey! You see, I can feel the hail. Small hails coming down. And I'm trying to stay away. She's walking behind me. She's gonna bug me anytime soon. And
We're
yes,
gonna
Laura.
fucking walk all the way to the mountain.
Did you say fuck?
I did say fuck.
Did you? Did she? She did say. Say something.
Say something. Oh.
Okay, at this point, we're so excited to stay at Cradle Mountain because the weather was really good and we didn't expect a snow-capped mountain. So we decided to book a caravan park or like a camping space. And the thing is, they don't have available rooms for that night and we didn't have much money. So we decided to go for a campsite. They felt bad because they told us that the temperatures went low, very low. I forgot was it 2 degrees or something. We didn't have winter clothes because we didn't expect winter. It was November. It was on the way to summer here in Australia. So what we did was we booked a camping spot and then we drove Ingrid all the way to Devonport because Ingrid and Simu has a rental car there. They're going home earlier than us. We're gonna be staying in Tasmania for quite a longer time than them. So yeah, we drove all the way down. I wasn't able to film. I was getting dizzy of the driving and everything else. But we just went down, and then after that we went to Amber's Chocolate. We tried to get some chocolate and tasted it, and yeah, it was good. It was good. So yeah, we had to drive all the way back also. But anyway, moving on. Here's the rest of the video. Oh yeah, I know. You just throw it
Just
on.
done right, so they're not as full as they used to be.
Belgian chocolates at Anvers. Check it out. There they are, they're eating chocolates. So how was it?
It's heaven, man.
Fucking yum.
Look at she's eating ice cream.
It's
That's my ice cream.
I didn't lick it though. See, it's just slightly licked with the toothpick.
I did lick it.
Oh shit. It's ice cream,
It's
man.
hard not to.
Thank you.
That's
Thank you.
alright, see you.
Have a good day.
He ate my ice cream. He ate my ice cream. Okay, I'm eating ice cream at Anvers. Love the chocolate. Oh no! Got my ice cream. Anyway, it's good. It's fun. Where to next? So just like that, we're eating ice cream. And this place is good. You can see all the places where you can eat chocolates.
You wanna check out the cafe, no?
Yeah, I'm gonna check the place out. And I want to thank Dora and Joe. Thanks for telling me about this place.
I
What?
think their hot chocolate would be fantastic as well.
Yep.
But my mouth is too sweet right now.
Oh, yeah, and I'm eating ice cream. Oh, my face! Oh. Can you wipe my face?
Say something, Diane.
Oh, shit.
Start recording.
Okay, now we drove all the way back after Anvers and we arrived at our camping spot. It was really cold, man. It was November, like November 1st something, but it was really, really cold and it started to rain. So we were supposed to set up our tent, but what happened was we didn't set up our tent. We just slept in the car. Yeah, we slept in the car. I was sitting down, Laura was lying down, and the Jam was near in the front seat. We were sleeping sitting down. It was an adventure. It was really cold. The reception gave us a heater to plug in, because just in case if we might freeze to death, or we might be in the situation that we're gonna freeze to death, we will have that heater to heat it up. But anyway, that's it. And yeah, it was a fun trip. Yeah, it was a fun trip. It was like everything. Stay tuned for more of the clips for tomorrow. It's gonna be more exciting. Yeah, stay tuned. That's it.
Like